Hey guys, I just want to go over my settings real quick for the DV1 Clearcoat gun, spraying the FC720 clear, which is a 4-to-1 clear, and I'm also using the FC620 hardener. It's a real good overall clear. I don't want to say cheap, but it's an inexpensive clear, which gives really good results. I think a lot of guys can use this, especially if you want to do your stuff at home. It's a little bit over $100, maybe $120 for a kit, and it gives really good results. And I've used it for years, and it's held up well. So let's get started. First of all, I'll be using the C2 air cap on here with the 1.3 fluid tip. That's my preferred setup for this gun, spraying this clear. It sprays it really nice. So I'm going to set it up right now. I'll just show you how to set it up real quick with this gun from wide open, everything, like my other videos. So everything's wide open. Way too big. We're going to narrow this down. What I like to do, it's about 1.5 turns in from wide open. So we're going to go 1, 2, and it gets a little touchy here, so it's just a hair over 1.5 for my liking. Let's see if we got it. That's right on. It's just a hair over 1.5. And we get a nice, even pattern. I didn't do that very even here, but it's a nice, even pattern, and you get a nice, even run, even though I did that wrong. I was off a little bit. But, so we're going to go 1.5 in on the fan. The fluid, I like to go 0.5 in for this setup with this clear coat. So we're just going to turn it in a half a turn. Now we're getting there. Also for the air pressure, I like 27 pounds of pressure. I think it sprays really nice. It flows out really well. 27 is what I like. And when I spray this, I'm going to do about a 75 to 80% overlap at about 6 inches away. And when I'm spraying this, I'm not moving slow, but I'm not moving overly fast either. So it's just kind of in between. You can dial it in for yourself the way you do it, but this gives me great results. I got everything on the dry erase board. I'm going to show you after. I have how I mix the clear. I have the viscosity for the clear. I have the booth at 76 degrees. So all these things come into play. I've failed to mention the viscosity on some of my other videos. I will do that from now on. So I spray about 75 to 80% overlap. And that's it, really. So this is just a quick video to set it up for you. I'm going to show you this dry erase board. You can take a screenshot of it or whatever you like. I hope this helps. Let me know, and we'll do some more of these. Thanks again. And remember, this gun here, this is an amazing gun. This really atomizes well, and it sprays like a dream. It's awesome for clear coat. So I'll show you the dry erase board next. Here's the dry erase board. This is the DV1 Clearcoat gun. 1.3 fluid tip, C2 air cap. The fan is 1.5 turns in, fluid 0.5 turns in. Air pressure set at 27, about a 75 to 80% overlap. Distance of about 6 inches and you're moving not slow, but not overly fast. The clear is FC720, which is a very good, inexpensive clear. It's an overall clear. FH613 is a standard hardener. I do not go fast. The booth is at 76 degrees, and this was 14 seconds in the DIN 4 cup for viscosity, and it's mixed 4-to-1. After the first coat, I let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes until it is hand slick. We want everything, we want everything to evaporate out of it so we don't get any dieback or solvent pop. And then we go on to the next coat. All right, guys, thanks a lot. I hope this helps, and I'll catch you on the next one.